Welcome to the Handed Down Kitchen, where we bring antique recipes out of the past and back into the kitchen. We have a quick 1920s recipe for you today for a cheesy, savoury dish called American Golden Buck Toast. Cheese on toast with a difference. We found this recipe in the Savouries chapter of our copy of Best Ways Cookery gift book, which was published in 1928. The dish is basically a Welsh Rarebit with lots of beer or cider added to the cheese mixture, giving it a little something extra. And to make 2 toasts, you'll need the following ingredients. 1/4 pound, that's 113 grams of cheese, 1 ounce or 27 grams of butter, some salt and pepper, 107 millilitres of beer or cider, 1 teaspoonful of mustard, 1 dessert spoonful of vinegar, 1 teaspoonful of Worcester sauce, 2 freshly laid eggs, and 2 pieces of bread. The first thing to do is to toast the bread, which will be done under the grill, flipping them once halfway through. And for the whole time that the bread is toasting, we will prepare the cheese and egg toppings, starting with the egg, which we're going to poach. Boil some water in a pan over a medium heat. Add to this the vinegar and half a teaspoonful of salt. Then, one at a time, crack the eggs into a small bowl. Then gently slip them into the pan and we'll poach them for 4 minutes. While the toast is under the grill and the eggs are poaching, the last thing to do is to make the cheese mixture. Thinly slice the cheese. The recipe doesn't say what sort to use, we're using mature cheddar cheese. Melt the butter in a small saucepan. Then turn down the heat and slowly melt in the cheese until they're both combined. Pour into this 1 teaspoonful of Worcester sauce and your mustard, we're using English mustard, your beer or cider, and some salt and pepper. Then mix this all together. You can use any beer or cider, be it a light beer as we've used here, to Guinness. If you use a darker beer, it'll turn a more golden colour. Put the toast onto a hot plate and butter it lightly. Then spoon onto it the cheese mixture. By now the eggs should be ready, so drain these and then put them right on top of the toasts, giving them a good sprinkle of salt and pepper. And it's done! American Golden Buck Toast. We found it really scrumptious. Be it 2021 or 1928, sometimes all you want is a good slice of cheese on toast, and this will give you just that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave us a like, and if you'd like to see us recreate more antique recipes, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can also find full instructions for this recipe and many more on our website, linked in the description box below.